Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your BMW 3 Series. First, you need to enable the remote engine start feature within your vehicle's iDrive system. Begin by selecting the car menu on your touchscreen display. Then, navigate to Settings and choose Climate Comfort. From there, select Preconditioning/Ventilation, and finally, activate Remote Engine Start. Confirm your selection by pressing OK to accept any disclaimers, and you're ready for the next step. Once activated, using your key fob for remote start is straightforward. Stand within about 230 feet of your BMW. Then, simply press the lock button on your key fob 3 times in quick succession. You'll see the vehicle's lights flash, indicating that the engine has successfully started. The engine will run for approximately 15 minutes to precondition the cabin, then it will automatically shut off to conserve fuel and for safety. For ultimate convenience, the My BMW app allows you to remote start your vehicle from virtually anywhere. First, download the official My BMW app to your smartphone and log in with your BMW account. Select your vehicle, then tap the fan icon or climate button to access the preconditioning settings. From there, you can send a command to start your engine, ensuring your car is comfortable before you even reach it, whether it's warm or cool. Before relying on remote start, remember a few key considerations. Not every BMW model includes this feature, so check your vehicle's specifications. For safety and efficiency, the engine will automatically shut off after running for about 15 minutes if not entered. Always ensure your vehicle's hood is closed and it is in park. If your BMW doesn't have it, retrofit options might be available to add this convenient functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.